Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host Running Forward. Today I just want to give you a quick update on the IWM Leap call I did on the 19th of March. So as you can see here, I sold a cover call and today I bought it back for 1 cent. So this reduced my cost of this Leap call by about $30. I plan to do it again when the time is right. When I say that is because right now, if you look at the indices, they are very, very bearish, and we don't have a bottom for any of them yet. There may be some support here on the SPY. We don't know yet because we thought, there's some support near 653. It didn't hold. So if it's gonna hold, only price can tell us if it does. QQQ, same thing here. There may be some support over here near 560. Not sure yet. DIA, same here. We don't know if support is in until price action tell us so. But if we look at IWM, it is still the strongest of the indices because it's still above the red line here, which is the 200 MA. So right now it is still the strongest, but look what price action did. It wanted to go up, but came to this resistance area near 252. Tried it one day, couldn't get through, and then came back down. Now we don't know, maybe it's gonna form a double bottom near the 200. Maybe, we don't know yet. So, but what I plan to do with IWM with this Leap call case study is that I'm gonna drop the trend line a little bit different now with this new candle here. So what I plan to do is, if it forms a double bottom here and start to go back up, I may add to the position. I may not add to the same Leap call. If the shorter term uptrend or bottom is formed, we'll see. But in the shorter term, when price form the bottom or not, or doesn't form the bottom, when anytime it bounces back up and come near the resistance, what I plan to do is to sell another cover call to reduce my cost even further. Just so you know, on the Leap call of the IWM right now, it was in the green, but now it has came down to less than 1% down of my cost. So I'm not too worried about it. As I said in the beginning, the purpose of this Leap call is to maybe catch a wave of rebound, a relief rally of the indices on the IWM in particular. So that goal is still unchanged. The purpose of this Leap call is unchanged. In the meantime, I'm gonna before I close this position, I'll try to minimize my risk, to reduce my cost base, whatever I can do to make this trade a successful trade. So that's all the strategy I use here. They're all talked about in the book that I'm promoting. You can see the details under the affiliate links below this video. If you want to know more about the strategies, the different ways of making money or protect your money that was talked about in those books, check them out. If you don't have any experience with options, I would recommend go with the first one. If you have decent knowledge of options, you have already been exposed to options, you know the ins and out, know the basics. Start with the first one, but the second book is probably the best value in my opinion. And then if you want to get even more advanced, that's where the third book comes in. But for me, the second book, the stuff that's taught in the second book, is more than enough, more than sufficient for me to be a passive trader. So that's it. I just want to drop in to give you a quick update on the Leap call on IWM. Hopefully you find some value in this video. If you like this kind of content, you know what to do. All right, until next time. Bye for now.